Hello Smarties! Today we will learn the first letter of the Arabic alphabets, the letter Alif. Let's see how to write it. All you need to do is draw a straight line and make an inverted 2 on top of it. Draw a straight line and make an inverted 2 on top of it. Draw a straight line and make an inverted 2 on top of it. You can practice the letter Alif by yourself now. Let's see the different sounds it can make. We have Sawt Qasir, which means short sounds. Sawt Qasir means the letter has a Fathah or a Kasra or a Dammah on it. Alif with a Fathah makes the A sound. Alif with a Kasra makes E. Alif with a Dammah makes U. A, E, U. A, E, U. Then we have Sawt Taweel. These are our long sounds. Sawt Taweel means the letter will have Alif or Ya or Waaw next to it. Alif with the Alif next to it makes a long sound A, E, U. A, E, U. Then we have Tanween. This is our double vowel sound. Tanween means double Fathah, double Kasra and double Dammah. These are our Tanween sounds. An, in, un. An, in, un. Did you know that the Arabic alphabets look different at the beginning, middle and end of the word? This is how Alif looks by itself. This is how it looks at the beginning of a word. This is how it looks in the middle, and this is how it looks at the end. Do you remember that Alif is a one-handed letter? That means Alif will only join hands with the letter before it and never with the letter after it. Now it's reading time. This is how Alif looks at the beginning of the word, in the middle and at the end. These are our short sounds. Sawt Qasir. A, E, U. This is Sawt Taweel. A, E, U. And this is Tanween. An, in, un. Can you use those sounds we learned to practice this now? You can practice it with me. A, E, U, U. This is Sawt Taweel. E, U, E. A, U, E, U, E, E. Did you find that easy? Keep practicing the sounds and you will be able to read everything. Did you know the Arabic word for rabbit? It's Arnab. Alif with a Fathah Arnab. The Arabic word for ear is udhun. Udhun. The Arabic word for thumb, ibham. Ibham. Now it's writing time. The Arabic word for toys is al'ab. We have a missing alif. Which alif do you think I'll put in this blank here? This alif has no hands. This alif has a little hand to join with the letter before it. Here, alif is the first letter, so I will choose this one. Ananas. Ananas. Here, the alif needs to join hands with the letter before it, so I will choose this one. Did you understand? Remember that alif joins hands with the letter before it and never with the letter after it.
Yay! Now we know the letter very well.